So guys, first of all, you need to get ready with your clips. As you can see, I got mine in right over here. If you're curious, this scene is from the movie Terminator Judgment Day. Now once you're ready with your clips, you're gonna go ahead and export it. Click Add to Render Queue, go ahead and click Lossless, and use vocoder to export it. Click Format Options, good quality, apply, okay. Now give it a name if you want to. I'm gonna just call it example and click render. Now once your render is complete, what you have to do is just open Topaz AI. Just so if you're curious, I use the 2.6.4 version. Now from here, click browse and open that folder in which you saved your footage. Choose your footage. And now just copy my exact settings. Once your Topaz quality is done, just go ahead and drag that file into After Effects. Now as you can see, the quality is not looking that much good, but what you have to do is you just have to create an adjustment layer and apply your CC. After that, you just have to do some minor adjustments. As I said before, that you don't have to overdo the sharpening in Topaz because we are going to add sharpening in After Effects only. So just click here. So just zoom in a bit so we can actually see the thing. Now I'm gonna make it 4. Let's say about 6. Yeah, 6 works, I guess. No, 6 is too much. I'm gonna just do it back to 4. I'm just do full preview. And as you can see, the quality is looking very good. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.